Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something simple yet essential: how to change your profile picture on Google Chrome on your mobile device in 2025. With Google's updates, this process is quicker than ever, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, grab your smartphone and open the Google Chrome app. It's the one with that colorful icon on your home screen. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll see your current profile picture or a default avatar. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a menu with your account options. Next, tap on Manage Your Google Account, or something similar. It might say Google Account directly. Don't worry if the exact wording varies slightly based on your device or Chrome version, it's usually straightforward. Now, you're in your account settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Profile or Personal Info. Here, you'll see your current profile picture. Tap on it to edit. A new screen will pop up, giving you options to change your photo. You can choose from your device's gallery, take a new photo with your camera, or even select from Google's suggestions. Pick the one you like best, crop it if needed, and hit Save or Apply. Voila! Your new profile picture is now set across Chrome and other Google services. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account and that your app is updated to the latest 2025 version. It's always a good idea to restart your app if things don't update right away. There you have it. That's all it takes to freshen up your online presence. Changing your profile picture is a great way to personalize your experience and stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.